Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today.
Hey everyone, looking at SPY on the daily and weekly time frame. So bulls showed up in response to the data this morning, and we have two indecision dojis in a row, but certainly today more bullish than yesterday, regaining the 10-day and middle Bollinger Band moving averages as support. And we're really only looking at the high of today, 218.87, 219.12, and then the all-time high, 219.60. So bulls are back into the driver's seat, and while it doesn't look very significant here on the daily chart in terms of turning things around to favor the bulls, you look at the weekly time frame, perfect bounce off the 10-week moving average, bullish response to that support, normal healthy consolidation for 2 weeks after a very strong Brexit bounce, and the bulls are looking like continuation could be in the cards here for new all-time highs. That's where we're going to be leaning here, especially with the nice recovery of those moving averages on the daily time frame. So what I want to point out is SPY on the shorter term time frames, and if you asked me if I could only have one thing on my charts besides the candlesticks, what would it be? It would be the 20-period moving average, and that's on every time frame. It's very important on the daily, and I'll show you here why it's so important on the 5-minute. It is my favorite to be using. So very bullish reaction to the data. We had a very strong run up, consolidated, bounced off the 20-period support. No surprise there. Maintained it. I'm still watching these 218.60s. I've been highlighting them in the videos, and there's not a set number. I'm using the whole range of the 218.60s because it seems like sometimes we reject from 62, 68, 66. So I've got a line here at 218.62. So we bounced off support, couldn't get over those 218.60s, and then as soon as we lost that 20-period moving average, that was the bearish signal, and from there we were bearish for the next 3 hours, rejecting from it on every attempt. So losing that support as your bearish entry signal, you would exit if it gets established back as some strong support. So you're in bearish, it becomes support, and you can flip to going bullish right when it becomes strong support. And we can see for the next 2 hours, towards the end of the day, we had a bullish run up in SPY with that level as support. And if that wasn't enough of an example of today, it's been going on all week. And we've seen the past, look at Wednesday and Thursday. Here's Wednesday first, 20-period moving average, rejecting the price the entire day. Once it becomes support, green light for the bulls, 2.5 hours of upside into the close. And on Thursday, same thing, 20-period moving average, resistance, rejecting the price, it becomes support, big time bull move, much more quickly, but over a half an hour, huge gains. Once that support level, it became support. We back tested it. It held as support, and then we took off to the upside. So cannot emphasize enough the importance of the 20-period moving average on every time frame, but most notably the 5-minute is what we use the most with the chart guys and our live webcam. So looking for bullish action to continue into next week. Let's check out the hourly real quick while we're here. So big bull move, still seeing weakness at those 218.60s. Look at here how we've rejected all week. 3 times this week, 218.60s have knocked down the price. We did establish support and then held all moving average support towards the end of the day. So looking for bullish continuation into next week, but I still need these 218.60s to become support to be fully confident. We'll check back in on Tuesday. Have a great long weekend. Plenty of videos coming out this weekend. See you soon.